Hey everyone, Ryan from Ebike Escape. One of the questions that I've been getting recently, back last fall I did a review of the RadWagon 4 and I also did a video and blog post on accessories for the RadWagon 4, and I've been getting a number of emails about these custom rear seats. Obviously Rad Power Bikes is out of a lot of accessories for their bikes, so people are looking for ways to bring their children with them. So instead of responding to a bunch of emails, I decided to do a quick video just showing you how these seats were made. And before we get into the video, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'll have links to my electric bike accessories list and the RadWagon 4 accessories list. I will also have a link to the Rad Power Bikes website. If you're planning to purchase Rad Power Bike or any Rad Power Bikes accessories, please consider using that link as it supports me in making videos like this one. With that, let's get to these custom seats that we made for the RadWagon 4. So as I mentioned, this is a question I've been getting a lot, these custom seats for the RadWagon 4. I will have a link in the description to my RadWagon 4 accessories list where everything you need is on the list. So I'm just going to give you a close-up of these seats. So these seats can be purchased from Walmart, and then what we did to customize these seats to make them work on the RadWagon 4 was take a piece of particle board. You can see that this has been spray painted black just to make it look like it belongs a little bit more. And there is a bolt that goes all the way through. You'll want to use a locking washer to make sure it's nice and snug there. And then on the back of these seats are threaded here, which is why you're able to use a board and then you can stick the screw up into the seat. And I'll show you that here quickly. So these bolts will go into this foam pad. Again, you can purchase the foam pad. So that tightens on like that. And then the only other thing you need is we have another piece of wood here, which is a block. And this is made to fit that window that also fits the Thule Maxi seats. And so basically this fits in lengthwise, but then when you turn it the other way, it comes into contact with the bar and then you can tighten it down so the seat is nice and snug and secure. And I should mention that when we have both of these installed, the rear child is able to hold on here to the seat in front of him or her. And then here, this is actually a repurposed piece of RadWagon 4 packaging with some bolts. So that's something you can do. Of course, you can buy it from Rad Power Bikes as well if you'd prefer. So here is that piece of wood block installed, and so you can imagine it fits into the window like that. You would turn it sideways and then you tighten this to the rack of the bike. And if you like this DIY project, check out the Rad Owners Forum at radowners.com. There are loads of amazing customizations that people are making to their Rad Power Bikes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.